What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. First off, I got to give a shout out to Finishline, my homie that manages the one that I go to. Um, they did guarantees for the raffle, which I was glad. I mean, they had a lot of pairs, and I think that, since it's Finishline in this area, they don't really get a lot of customers, so they figured this would be the only way to go ahead and, get rid of them. Which thankfully they did, because I didn't win any raffles for them. So, let's jump right into it. Bam. Y'all know what that box is. Size 12. I've been, a few of my friends actually were able to cop these early off of the sneakers site, and I missed out on them. But finally got them. There they are. It's the Jordan 3 Black Cement OG with that Nike Air. Bam. The Nike Air. A lot of people, especially non-sneakerheads, they're like, well, why the Nike Air? Why the Nike Air? It's just because it's an OG. Nike Air takes it back. It goes back in the day. Not to mention there's subtle differences between the Jordan brand one and the Nike Air version. The Nike Air ones, I think, are made a little bit better. I'm not entirely sure why they switched the two up. There's people that have different theories on it. A lot of people think that when they put Jordan on the back, it was so they could promote Jordan brand and stuff like that. A lot of people just think that they wanted to release it but switch it up a little bit, and they couldn't do that on an OG model. Because, if you look at the photos, right here, I'll throw a few of them up. The 2001, 2008, 2011, and 2018. Those are two Nike Airs, two Jordans. The Nike Air ones have, less perforation right here than the Jordan ones do. And right here is leather on the Nike Air, where I think it's nubuck on the Jordan ones. Everything else basically looks the same. Right here, it looks like this is angled a little bit more. The Jordan one looks like it goes up and down a little bit more. And the elephant print, the 2001 looked a little light, and the 2011 looked a little thick, I think, like too much. But the 2008 was like right in the middle, or vice versa, something like that. I don't have the picture in front of me right now, but you could tell. But honestly, the quality on these, great. I've had the friends that I have that picked them up have worn them. A few of them have actually worn the shoe 10, 12 days in a row, and it hasn't started creasing yet. Oh, and the other difference is Nike on the bottom, not Jordan written across the bottom with that circle around it. Everything else basically looks the same. So, but, these have and the hang tag, of course. But let me get that out of the way. This has a black tumbled leather upper with kind of a gray cement leather that goes all the way around here, including on the tongue. You got your elephant print on the heel and the toe mud guard. And then you got that white Nike Air right there. You got the bubble right there. This shoe is just amazing. Like, if you look at it, I understand people like the dark shoes and stuff like that, but last year or 2 years ago, it was in 2016, they released the True Blue 3 cement, and that thing sat on shelves for a minute. Like, the Hibbett Sports down the street had that thing for like 6 months. I could have just walked in and picked it up. The quality definitely wasn't as good as this one is. And I don't understand those other YouTubers that are saying, oh, the quality sucks. I'm going to sleep on them. They suck. This one sucks. Quality on this one's great. There's no glue peeking out anywhere. There's no peaks right here on any of this. It's just bella, as you know, what's his name, Buckets would say. This shoe is, oh god, it's so good. And honestly, I did sleep on the True Blue 3s, and I mean, honestly, I don't know. Like, the price on those were $220. These were $200. Why the price difference? Why that $20? Were they just trying to reach in our pockets? Or was there a reason? Like, were they getting scammed by their warehouse, or like the people giving them their materials? Because the materials weren't, I mean, they're probably half as good as this. And they were charging more. It doesn't really make any sense. So, I mean, the elephant print, real thick on this. The upper leather, super like supple. You can definitely tell why this isn't going to crease as easy as, you know, regular thin ones and whatnot. It's just the way it's made. Like, it's thick. Like, it feels good. I definitely like it. It's soft but thick. So you can look at the bottom right there. Let's check out an on foot of these, because I have a feeling these are going to look great on foot. Definitely, you cannot go wrong with these on foot. These are just so good, and they're so comfortable. Like, oh god, I love them so much. Now, these originally dropped in 1988 in the black colorway. They released, 1988, 94, 2001, 2008, 2011, and 2018. Now, only twice, the 2008, 2011 had the Jumpman on the back. But, all the rest of my Nike Air, I'm glad I caught the Nike Air. They made enough pairs of these so that everybody could have doubled up if they wanted to. You could have slept on them, picked them up. I mean, East Bay had them for like 6 hours or something, 5 or 6 hours on their website. I got lucky, went in, picked them up from Homeboy this morning. I'm definitely picking up a pair for my kid, so we can match. I just didn't want to pick any up today. I mean, I'm going through money like crazy this week with all the drops. So I'm gonna definitely go back when I get that free money from Foot Locker and pick his up. But how many of y'all cop these Nike Air Shot? What do you think of the quality on them? I mean, you can't go wrong with this, seriously. Like, if you slept on these, don't listen to the other YouTubers. Pick them up. These are great quality. Pick them up. Let me know what you think. I've got a bunch of other things coming. Make sure to check out the video on that giveaway. I'm going to keep pushing that. Get that video, whichever side it's on. Pick that up. I got some more shoes coming. Make sure to follow me on social media. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're trying to reach 1,000 subs so we can do that sneaker giveaway. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch y'all on the next one, and you don't want to miss it. I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.